Howard has done no different in the last 12 months as what he has done in the last 30 years. He's a man that leads by example. He never gives another person a job that he wouldn't do or hasn't done himself. He listens more than he speaks and understands people.
Well, you bring them in, you train them, show them the correct culture. It helps the company go forward and helps maintain contracts and get contracts, because it's the way we train our people and the way we want them to conduct themselves. The whole benefit is to see these people achieve their goals from there to there, sort of thing.
Is his loyalty, his enthusiasm, his encouragement to others. It's infectious across the whole workplace.
I'm only returning what DGH has given me and try to do as much as I could for DGH, which is an absolutely wonderful company to work for.
Howard is DGH, and he is a part of us. He's a big part of us, and he's done a lot for us, and I really respect the man.